Okay, children, good morning. Let me continue. The biology, we have to consider other two lessons, that is 20 and 21, because so we have to take the lessons 20 and 21. Altogether, how many lessons for us? For the annual exam, 6 lessons I gave. In physics, what I said, what are the lessons? Electricity and sound. And chemistry, atomic structure and water. In biology, reaching the age of adolescence age and crop production and management. Altogether 6 lessons. Okay, yeah. So first 2 lessons, physics and chemistry, we have discussed already. Now we have to go for biology. That is reaching the age of adolescence. It's in page number 232, the lesson is. But question and answers in page number 241. What are the questions allotted? Choose. I gave the answer, I hope so. Choose, I am writing only the option. First one is C. That is 11 to 19. Second one is A, puberty. And third one is C, both A and B. Fourth one, C, larynx. And fifth one, sebaceous glands. And that is option B. Sixth one is, the sperm is produced by testes, option D. And seventh one, all the dash are the chemical substances, that is A, hormones. Eighth one, and androgen production is regulated by LH hormone, that is B. Ninth one is, during menstruation the progesterone level is ceased, that is C. And the last one is 10th one, D, calcium. Over. Choose the correct answers. Already I gave, just it's a recall only. Then fill in the blanks. First one, estrogen. And second one, anterior pituitary. And third one is prolactin. Prolactin, Lactin. And fourth one is zygote. And fifth one is menarche. MENARCHE, menarche. And sixth one is mensuration. Seventh one is balanced diet. Eighth one is iodine. Ninth one, anemia. ANAEMIA. Don't think I'm going in fast. Already I gave the answers. Just again I am doing the revision, that's all. 10th one is fallopian tube. Fallopian, Fallopian. And true or false? I said already how to write the answer. Let me write in a short form. This is third one. True or false? First one is true. Second one is false. So the thing is, the release of ovum from the uterus is called ovulation. So in the place of uterus, you would write ovary. Uterus, U-T-E-R-U-S. The place of uterus, you would write ovary. O-V-A-R-Y. Clear, children? In the place of uterus, you would write ovary. O-V-A-R-Y. And the third one, true. The fourth one is, making use of disposable napkins or tampons may increase the chances of infection. False. In the place of increase, you have to write reduce. And fifth one, using toilets for defecation is a good practice. True. Over. And match. Match. First one, puberty, sexual maturity. Second one, that is Adam's apple, change in voice. And the third one is androgen, muscle development. Fourth one is ICHS, testosterone. Sterone, S-T-E-R-O-N-E. And the fifth one is menopause at the age of 40 to 45 to 50 years. Over. Then answer briefly. That is Roman number 5. What are the questions again? Only these questions are allotted. 1, 2, 3 and 8. Only these answers. 1, 2, 3 and 8. First one, what is adolescence? It's in page number 240. The points to remember, first one, adolescence is the period of reproductive maturity which lies usually between the age of 11 to 19 years. Only this answer. First answer, what I said, page 240. Just now I said what's the answer for that. And second one, list out the changes which occur during puberty. It's in page number 233. Just verify the answer. Under the heading body changes at puberty, 4 important changes that occur during puberty. From that to all the 4 points, that is development of secondary 6 characteristics. Still that. And what do you mean by the secondary sex characteristics? Page number 234. What do you mean by secondary sex characters? Under the heading, secondary sex characteristics, first line, secondary sex characteristics are from that to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ninth line. And estrogen secreted by the ovaries of the females. From the first line to ninth line, secondary sex characteristics too. By the ovaries of the females. Ninth line, that ends in ninth line. Clear, children? How is adolescence differ from childhood? 8th answer. Because brief answer, we are going to write 20 answers. So, limited answers only from all the lessons. So, you have to learn everything. On the detailed answer, we can see what are the things. 8th one, how is adolescence differ from childhood? That I gave my own answers. So, you can write of own also, I give own answer only. Adolescence differ from childhood. In the childhood, there is no secondary growth or childhood we cannot different, there is no secondary growth in our body. In the age of adolescence, we got secondary growth. That's the thing. The childhood, there is no secondary growth in our body. In the adolescence age, we got some changes in our body, that is secondary growth as seen in our body in the age of adolescence. That's the difference. The childhood, we are immature, there is no secondary growth. In the adolescence age, we are matured and we got the secondary characters. Clear? The detailed answer I gave, first one and fourth one. Other things are omitted. It's my own answer I gave already. And detail, first answer and second answer. First answer in page number 234 and 35. And then why are physical changes that occur in boys and what are the physical changes that occur in boys and girls during adolescence age? 234 and 35. We no need to give much importance to this question that I gave already. Secondary growth in boys is in 234. That is hair, skin, glands, muscle and voice. The females in page number 235. Hip, breast, hair, muscles, voice and skin, gland. First detailed answer you no need to give much importance. And we are going for the fourth detailed answer. Explain the nutritional need of adolescents in brief. This is very important answer. You have to learn compulsory for the exam. This is explain the nutritional needs of the adolescents in brief. It's in page number 239. Because you must know what are the food you have to take in this age. Okay? Personal hygiene for the adolescents. Fourth detail. Your nutritional needs of adolescents in page number 239, nutritional needs. The second paragraph, last line, that is adolescents need the following dietary components. Okay, did you find out? Adolescents need the following dietary compounds: minerals, calcium, iodine, iron only fourth point, 4 lines only. It builds blood and rain, and the iron rich foods such as green leafy vegetables, jaggery, meat, date, fish, chicken, citrus and Indian gooseberry, nelly and whole pulses are good for adolescents. Okay, that is minerals, you have tried full calcium, iodine, the iron only first 4 lines. Clear? This is the lesson over. So what I said, only second detailed answer you have to go through. This is very important. Okay? And next lesson what I have to give is, what I have to see, crop production and management. So children, I am completing science now and English I will take in other class. Next one is, clear it is? Already we gave all the answers through online. Then we recall it. We recall what are the things. Next we have to see lesson number 20 and 21 for the annual exam. We have to see lesson number 21. As I said in the beginning, better you inform whether these answers, you no need to say, because everything we have given now. Second time I recalled all the points, what all I took. And the important thing is, no child has completed the fees. The fees already we have magnanimously reduced the fees in the beginning fees as well as in the monthly fees, 25%. So insist your parents to pay the fees. Unless you pay the fees, your papers will not be corrected. You may write the exam, but papers will not be corrected. So tell them to pay the fees. Clear? Lesson number 21. This is crop production and management. Here also children, give reasons or not considered. Choose the correct answer. First one, B, sowing. Second one, C, earthworms. And the third one, A, irrigation. Fourth one, A, seed treatment. And the fifth one is D, sugar. Next to fill in. First one, tree planting. TRW. And second one, weed. Third one is herbicides. The fourth one is Krishi Vigyan Kendra. Fourth one is heirloom. Fifth one only Krishi Vigyan Kendra. And the sixth one is Indian Agriculture Research Institute. Indian Agriculture Research Institute. Research Institute. Okay. Match. First one is, already gave the answers, okay. First one is Bacillus. Second one is control white flies.